Model, 63-plate Vauxhall Movano Master 2.3 CDTI factory crew cab flatbed 60 km wow. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 50,172. Engine, 2,300 cc. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. CV joint is clicking only when turning. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after pickup. The tail lift does actually work fine, but the latch where it holds it up needs fixing. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, air con. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,650. Click the link in the description.